Storm window replacement most of the time is not worth it. Storm windows can be expensive. Here in Minnesota, where we have extreme heat and extreme cold, you want to make sure that you're keeping that cold on the outside. And usually a storm window is just a thin piece of glass that it doesn't offer much insulating value. And with prices going up, the storm windows are getting more expensive. So in Minnesota, at least, you should seriously consider a full window replacement. That way you get a high quality glass in there, you get some of the beauty and aesthetics of a new window, and you don't have two sets of windows to try to open and close, and a space in between there that collects bugs and dirt. By the time you put your storm windows in and pay for those, you know, you're about 3/4 of the way or halfway there to a new window, which is going to really increase the insulating value, and also is going to look a lot better than having storm windows on your house.